the sport.
To drop the sport. I never have to have had the sport until this point. And $10 million.
I don't think I can drop the sport. 10 million is a lot.
Dollars.
Yeah.
I had to specify so you
But
can
I think
understand the magnitude of it.
at the same time, you know, that's limiting yourself to 15.6 billion.
Man full of What's your guess?
Hey, Aibo!
Okay, how old is he? How old is he?
22.
Hey! Hey, Aibo! Hey, at least he's older than me. At least. Lakini lazima na subscribe juu ya Vitu Podcast. Wala nuagonaital. Bila shaka. Yet another episode ndani ya everything living. Na kwa ni very bad.
Kuyuko hivyo venye unafikiria. Ai ni kubied. Ni kubied mbaya sana.
Yet another episode my guy. Na tuko Vulai. So ndo we just left home. Mambo inataka kukua ni Vulai. Kama namna gani? Hadharani. Naona huyo mseve hapa na dent. Jana alikuwa mboka. Jana alikuwa shughuli. Nidhani huko kuna nyuki. Ati karibu dhani.
They're all finishing with celebrating all of them now. Yeah, it's 412 from Jaden Weru. Jaden Weru 412. And we're just waiting. We're getting into the 85s now. I'll tell you about them shortly. When we actually that we've got some 3 bikes on sale. If you've seen the the Austin Morris Minor, the Green Classic just near the place where we were buying meals. There's the KTM 125 2015 model for 485,000. A KTM 85 2015 for 340, and a KTM Mini 50cc 2019. I think this would be like a Kiwi bike. It's 260,000. All the prices are negotiable. I have been told that they will give you a discount. Let me know if they do not. Well done, Yuri Yongo. Congratulations, my friend. Brilliant performance. And we're just about to finish, but what a race. Goodness, what did we just see there? What a performance from each of the riders there. 85 are here, 84, Bike number 166, Zawadi. All the way Zawadi. And bike number 10 is he's gone down twice, 3 times in the previous. So, extreme left is the blue rider. Bike number 8, Innocent Muhara. 160 is Mohammed Mutahi. 97 is Chamain Kangogo. 166 is Zawadi Nachai. And extreme left in bike number 10 is Lewis Abadi. And he gets the hard shot again, Mohammed Mutahi, in bike number 160.
What did I tell you? Ponde.
He's such a sportsman, I think he plays, of course he plays golf, he plays, he's in motocross as well. I think he's in the school rugby team, if I'm not wrong. So that's a sportsman, that's such a model sportsman. And check the photo taken by Zawadi Nachai. Yes, it is Zawadi. Here is Zawadi Nachai in bike number 166. And the final race of the day. Just
Guys, mnaona mambo vile iko vula. Karibia kamera.
how far back is Apollo
Guys, it's noisy, so that's why I have to be close. You guys just saw the last racing imeanza. What happened? Niliona kuna msee mwenye alibaki. He was literally alikuwa anabeba watu ufala. Alikuwa anabaki ati ndo awache. Very interesting moment, man.
Ateta is still leading the race.
Umse black akona technique nyingine ngori. Unafanya meland pale.
Ateta is still leading the race.
Ni dem. Amemkamata. Huyo ngori. Hiyo technique. Ngori. Na amemwacha. Imetupita tu hivyo, unani confuse. Si ndiye alitoka wa mwisho ama si yeye? Mtu wa kwanza ni Deni. Mtu wa kwanza ni Manzi. Akapita. Mtu wa kwanza ni Deni. Amepitwa. Amepita tena. Mzee Deni anakimbiza jango. Ateta is still leading. The red is the chief.
She's still leading. She's still leading.
Men we always chase.
You know it's our game. 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 Now see this. See this. See this. See this. Ama, and a safe game. And a safe game for last minute. And a safe game. And a safe game for last minute. Nice, Apollo, go! Nice!
The boy thing is way faster than way faster. That bike, the 125cc, the other guys are doing a 450cc. So, yeah, that's what it is.
Yes. Yeah. I enjoyed the episode like this. Atete was my best. Yes, she was my favorite, and I liked how she was in control of the race and the way she just took over the wheel. But the last lap was
Yeah, do.
Oh yeah.
Mzee umekunywa.
Mimi Apollo amenipesho. Sina match ya kusema. But hiyo last lap amenipamba mimi.
Imekuwa very beautiful.
Nilikuwa navilika na hodio hii angeishinda kitabu.
This is one of the racers. Are they both racers?
Yeah, this was a racer today.
Oh, you didn't race, huh? What is your name?
Amani.
Amani.
Nani Amani?
Amani, ulikuwa na race ya gani? What race were you racing?
65.
65. How was the race?
At Babi. Yeah, there's 3 underscores.
Before B.
Yours again.
Arlingstorm.
Arlingstorm. And Amani's.
Amani's is Amani.I33.
Okay.
Yeah, Amani.I33.
Very nice.
From 2023 to 2024.
And then you pass it over to me, yeah?
Well done. So now, Lito, who do you think you're going to pass it to next year? Who do you think is going to be the most improved free riders?
Is he going to 65?
Kiki's going 65. So who do you think? Is it Washira, Thanga, or Mitko?
Tanga
Thanga
or Mitko?
Thanga or Mitko?
Tanga or Mitko.
Personally, I thought it was a must first. So, Precious, what's the dog's name?
His name is Groot.
Groot.
Yeah.
How old is Groot?
He's 7.
7 years old.
7 years old.
7 years old. He's old.
What?
So, what do you feel?
He eats a mix of kibble, like kienyeji veg, and then meat and rice.
That's all.
Yeah.
That's all he has needed for all this.
Yeah, that's what he eats.
It's quite big.
Yeah.
Interesting. You are giving us a very interesting story that you were telling me before.
Oh, his mouth? Yeah, like where he was before he brought him back to Nairobi, he lived in Kitale on our farm, and there were like a few other dogs on the farm, and he just did not like male dogs, and they got into a bit of an argument, and the dog, it's actually a really small dog, which is really sad, but the dog bit his mouth.
The dog was smaller
was
than
smaller
him.
than by like a mile, like the dog was a small dog, and it bit his mouth, and yeah, we took him to the vet, they stitched it off.
Interesting.
Yeah.
There's another story you were telling me when I told you tell us on camera.
Oh, how we sleep? We sleep together. Sleep in my bed.
In your bed?
In my bed together.
Has he ever slept on you and you felt he's too heavy for you?
No, he doesn't. He actually doesn't like getting under the covers either. He sleeps like on top of the bed on one side. Maybe he'll like lie in my thigh or on my like stomach, but he doesn't like because he gets hot if he's on top of me.
Oh,
So
this kind of a dog would be.
yeah, it would be quite hot. So he likes to keep like a bit of distance.
What do you love most about him?
Oh, just how cute he is. Like, I see other Saint Bernards, but no one, in my opinion, is as handsome as him. He's so cute.
Is he potty trained?
Yeah. Just like the dog food visible, and then in the evening when we have like everything. The heavy meal. So, yeah, like
How frequently?
Kibble, rice. He eats twice a day. It's more like this and every day. Yeah.
Does he get stubborn?
Yeah. He doesn't like male dogs. He's very like French one. If you see like even when he's around, he like literally pee everywhere.
But he gets beaten by a small dog.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Even when you see him with the other small dog we have, he literally bullies him. He's like obsessed with her and she's like and like bullies him all the time, like next to him. But he's a very gentle dog. I like him.
Do you have a favorite between the two?
Yeah.
Of course, the one you lie down with.
Yeah, though I sleep with every night.
Did you have him since he was a puppy?
No, we had him when he was just, I mean, yeah, I guess he was still a puppy. He was just under a year old. Yeah, we've had him since then. That was cute.
Where did you get him from? You bought
There's a breeder that my dad knows that brings dogs from South Africa and the UK. Yeah, he's from here. He's actually in Motocross, and he brings dogs from the UK and South Africa. So I really want to take one out. Bag. Yeah.
Come closer because
How much is the market price?
Like 300k, 400k.
400k.
Yeah.
You bought it for 400k.
I think you got it for like 350 and then import fees and yada.
It's male or female?
Probably it's even higher right now.
Yeah, right now it'd be high because that was 2018. So
Oh, 2018. That's way back.
yeah, we've had them for a long time.
The other dog, she kind of breed.
The cockapoo. Yeah.
So for you, okay, this hypothetical. Okay, that's not possible. I was going to ask that question before you finish. It's male, but I was going to ask how much you sell this puppy.
You know what? I'm actually looking for a dog to breed with, and he's quite old, and it's really like a lot in the market.
Oh.
So he's trying to breed with
So it's
both,
not
but obviously
castrated.
the sizes aren't.
So what does he do?
The sizes are in line.
Interesting.
You
Do you know anyone with the same breed?
You know, we've been looking. We found one guy, but I'm not gonna lie, my Saint Bernard is so much.
Yeah.
I want like another. He's so cute. Like this is what I want. Again, I don't think I want.
You don't
And
know
then I
anyone?
also like
That's
his
fair,
size.
that's
I
fair.
love his size.
Do you know anyone with a female?
Yeah, but then I told you that Saint Bernard's kind of ugly, and I don't like that.
Oh, that's the only one you know.
I know two people. One of them, the Saint Bernard, is ugly. The other one, the Saint Bernard, is really small, and I really like the size. I don't think I'd go bigger or smaller.
You don't want to dilute the gene.
No, that's the thing. I've reached out to the guy who sold us the dog, and he had 3 dogs he imported at the time. So I'm gonna see if maybe he has a female. Can breed her. Yeah.
So, do you live in with anyone when you travel?
Yeah, we have our gardener.
Oh.
So other than you, it's the garden.
Yeah, other than me, it's the gardener. And my sister also.
Does he listen?
Him?
Yeah.
And my gardener.
Oh no, he. Oh, hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Present to the garden.
It's not the garden. Hey, Africa, Kenya. It's of course, it's not the gardener. Does he listen?
He listens when he wants to. Actually, I'd say 90% of the time he's quite cooperative. When he's tired, or he's hungry, when he's like really hyper, like he hasn't gone on a walk.
Is he obedient to the whole household? To you?
Just
Only
you.
you.
Okay, I'd say mostly me, but he's still really good at everyone else.
How
Like
rough
if I
can
tell
he
him no, it's like a no.
But how rough can he get? Or as you continue?
He's not very. I've actually never seen him get very physical. Like
You've
not with
never
humans, not
in
with
the 7 years.
yeah, not with another person, with another dog, but with another.
Oh,
person.
with another dog.
Yeah, with
How
other
big or small was the dog?
He was like smaller than a golden retriever. Like really, really small, yeah.
How frequently does he get vaccinated?
So we do deworming every 3 to 4 months, I think. That's the first he has, and then vaccinations every 6 months. Yeah. Come on.
I'm still stuck at the garden. I had so many questions, but that one sent me off. I think we got those. I had so many others. But, okay, on a random, if he was female and he got puppies, how much would you sell me? How much would you sell me a puppy?
Honestly, I don't know. It depends. It depends how many there are.
No,
a
like,
lot of people have put dibs on puppies.
yeah, on a random.
On a random, maybe 20k. I don't think it's
20.
300.
Oh, 300.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, 20. I was like, hey,
What will you charge for breeding?
is it an African one?
You can charge for breeding.
Yeah, but I just feel like if he has kids, I'd want them to be like closely. I don't think I'd want to like just give his kids away.
That's why I asked that question, because I wanted to.
I think
know
there's
if
a few
you are
like people
very
in my
sentimental.
family who've like asked if they'd want it, or like close family friends. But other than that, I don't think I'd give them away. It's just around because I also don't know how those people are gonna treat his kids. Like I
Would you
really need to
crossbreed
make
him?
sure. No. Actually, yeah, maybe with Nobu, the small dog. I'd cross. Nobu's the small dog. I'd crossbreed.
Is it the dog I saw around?
Yeah, the little brown one.
Why
Yeah.
would you crossbreed him?
That'd be so cute. Like they've been trying, but obviously, like I feel like there's no, there's.
The gardener.
But because I like
Heaven
searched,
and
when we
earth.
first got Nobu, I searched up like how the breed, like how the puppies would look like if I crossbred them. It's so cute. They were like his size.
Was it AI?
No, people have done it before.
Oh.
Yeah, and
Because
it's a
personally-
Saint Bernadoodle. So I was like, that would be so cute. However, I just feel like the sizing is like a bit, and also Nobu's the woman in.
But you could,
Yeah, but then I feel like also that would
garden him.
that'd be so painful for Nobu to give birth to like a puppy of. Yeah, that's kind of rude.
Fair
of me,
enough.
Yeah.
Personally, I don't advocate for all kinds of breeding because I feel like people are punishing dogs.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I wouldn't make Nobu go through that. I mean, if it happens naturally, then who am I to stop it?
Natural.
But,
He was not natural. Hey, we have diversity here, but
but maybe if it doesn't.
What's your? Yes.
Steps now, please. Come around, everybody.
Hey, Aibo! Aibo!
Okay, how old is he? How old is he? 22. Hey! Hey, Aibo! Hey, at least he's older than me. At least.
But anywho.
Angalia nyuma yetu the track. Hapa ndo track iko. Some the next races hazijaonyeshwa, but tuko hapa itakuwa ni polite tunaona track ndio hapa ndo mali wana Rory ya my guys beautiful si ndio? Na sasa hapa tuko hapa juu ya kata si ya nani? Juu ya vitu. Kata si ya nani? JYV. Kata si ya nani? JYV bei. Alafu unajua
Thank you. Do the photos there. Okay, brilliant. Okay.
Demand the meat.
Apollo, then you need to jump up there. Mama Terrence as well, jump up there. Do photos with them.
Demand the meat.
You will manage when you get up there. They will be sure.
Demand the meat.
Okay, guys, let's do that quick photo. Hip hop! Hip hop! And for Mama Terrence, hip hop!
Yeah.
Let's do one more for Guardian. Hip hop!
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Paula. Thank you, Kenya Captain.
The man, the legend. Finally hapa. Found him. Acha nimpatie quick fire. Naweza sema hii ndio gani? Mseke gani? 125. Ndio ulikuwa hiyo class?
Nilikuwa MX1, wali combine 125 na MX1 kwa sababu tuko wengi.
Wewe ndio wenye ulibaki pale kufanya hii mambo yako. If you know, you know. The guy mwenye the one who remained behind who was doing this, pale mlimuona pale. Introduce yourself.
My name is Apollo Mbuki. I race MX1 and I'm 26 years old.
So you consider yourself as the winner of the day?
100%. Without a doubt.
Most of the haters we were interviewing were saying that you hoarded the win.
Hoarded the win? What do you mean by that?
Very many, actually.
Was it a plan?
Very, actually.
Could have won.
No, I got stuck behind the gate. Something wasn't right with my machine. I just had to wait
so
for
it was not intentional.
It wasn't intentional. I had to wait for the green light. It gives me the green light so I can mark the course.
Because for, I don't know, personal, he's the one who said you have a problem. And I thought that you're giving people time.
No.
You are him.
I always want to be in front. Yeah, so it's a lot easier, it's half of the race when you're in front. But yeah, I had to wait for the green light, so...
Ateta's fans were salty. They were saying
Many claimed that she has ended chauvinism.
They were claiming that you withheld the
It's also good practice for her because I could push her a little bit and, motivate her kidogo so that she can get more confidence that, she belongs up there.
How many years have you been doing this?
I started when I was 8. Racing when I was 8 years old.
8 years old, and you're 26, right?
I'm 26 now.
What cc?
50cc. I started with a small 50cc.
What's the manual today?
No, the 50s are automatic, so you just get on the gas, and the 65s are manual.
Which one was running today?
450.
Interesting.
What did you say about this?
The track was really nice. I enjoyed the track. I didn't get tired as quick, so it was fun. It was good racing. I was trying to race against my time. But yeah, other than that, everything went well.
And mentally, how challenging is it being a racer?
It is challenging. It's actually one of the most mentally and physically challenging sports. You have to be fit, and even if you're fit and you have the right competitor, it becomes like a chess match. So it's really a lot.
When you're starting the race, what goes through your mind? When you're just revving before
just to remain relaxed, so that you can focus. Breathing normally, and I think most importantly, it's just about fun. I think about how much fun I can have out there.
Talking about, sorry, to cut you short.
That's it.
So talking about fun, which was the most interesting bit for you on the track?
It's hard because some corners were really fun to ride, some jumps were amazing. It's hard to the whole thing. You can't say.
You can't.
Yeah. The whole literally being on the bike on the track. That's it.
I saw your landing technique was almost the same on every jump.
Yeah.
That intentional.
What do you mean?
The way you learn. There's a way you twist your steering.
That's for fun. That's for you guys.
Oh,
Entertainment.
No, actually, no. It's not. It's there's two different ways, or ways you can do that, and one of them is when you do that, you save a lot of time because you don't jump so high. 2 seconds or even 0.2 of a second is a lot when you come to motocross. So some people, it looks like showboating, but if I spend less time in the air, so then I'm faster than you already. So a bit of both. A bit of
Yeah, I don't think I've been there.
Where do you want to get? Where are you planning to get? Next 5, 10
And also the sport.
In this field, in the sport. Or is it just for fun for you?
No, for me, I think now, I've been doing it for long, so it's not really about me racing now, but being able to guide kids so that they can become like me or even better than me. So yeah, it's about reaching a lot of children to get them to be like, hey, you can do this, or show them that it's possible. So I think I'd like to affect a lot of kids that are in it to show them that.
So you also train?
Yeah, I'm a coach, I'm a trainer.
You have are you residential?
So I do a bit of both. I'm mostly in Karen in Bugani. There's a track over there that we do some training, and it's welcome to anyone. If you don't have a bike, you don't have gear, just come, and you can ride 1 hour 30 minutes.
Nice. So for the last, you have another question. I have a last question. The sport, $10 million. Which one are you talking?
The sport.
To drop the sport, I never have to have had the sport until this point, and $10 million.
I don't think I can drop the sport. 10 million is a lot, huh?
Dollars.
Yeah.
I had to specify so you
But
can understand the magnitude of it.
At the same time, that's limiting yourself to 15.6 billion.
Man full of nyadi. And Congo was brought. Man full of nyadi.
But no, I think I'm not doing this for money or anything like that. It's more love of the sport.
We're just pulling your leg.
And on that note, we finish it up, Apo.
Before, congratulations.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Usao is the man of the match.
He was the winner.
The highlight is the highlight.
The winner of, tell them.
MX1.
MX1. Yeah.
And on that note, tunaimalizia. Na unakuwa
Maybe he
siku
can plug
zote.
himself.
Okay.
If you
Yeah. Follow me on Instagram, Porsche90. That's where I'm most active. Yeah.
Any inquiries? Maybe someone wants to be trained.
Yeah, just big shot, DM me or whatever it is. We can make a plan. As long as you have the desire to learn, you'll be fine.
It's a pleasure meeting you.
Same.
The winner of the day. Shukran to the winner of the day. Na tunaitamatishia hapo. Na siku zote tuko juu ya vitu.
na tuko mavitu. Yeah, these are the bikes.
Tumetamatia hapa. Na kwa ni genje au sio, si ndio my guys?
Yes, yeah.
Na on that note,
make sure
una subscribe juu ya vitu.
Na tuko mavitu.
Subscribe to the podcast. I've been away, but sasa niko back. Niko back videdly.
Like never before. Yeah.
Ni kama siku haikuwa.
Like I never left, yeah.
The hunger is new. Si ndio? So subscribe to both channels, Everything Living na juu ya vitu. Na itakuwa ni genje, si ndio? Until next episode. Itakuwa ni genje.
Muchachos.
Lakini lazima na subscribe juu ya vitu podcast. Haya. Adios.